So you want clean, professional vocal tuning, but do you really need to spend money on Melodyne, or can Retune get the job done for free? Today we put them head to head in a real mix. Let's see which one comes out on top. So in this example, I am using Melodyne and Retune on a really important part. This pitch correction is not a simple task. So if a tuning program could handle this, that one comes out on top. So pay attention to this part. I will play the song and let me explain the plugins. I have Melodyne as the tuning software. I have Retune as the tuning software again. The third one is not a tuning software, it's just a tuner. It shows which pitch is playing right now, which key is playing right now. So our vocal has this problem.
Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows.
Did you hear this part?
As the wind blows.
So I don't want this. I don't want this at all. And as you can see here, we have a not
Wind blows.
Lovely and musical vibration here.
Wind blows. Wind blows.
See, we need A2, but it's A2 higher and lower. It's playing around A2. So what can we do here? First of all, with double clicking, we could center them. I did center them. Then I could go here and do this. Then this and this. Okay, now.
The wind blows. The wind blows.
Better? Much better.
The wind blows. The wind blows.
I did that to make it sound natural with that vibrate, with that pitch, slightly pitch bend. So let me do this.
The wind blows. The wind blows. The wind blows. The wind blows.
And
the wind blows.
It's good. It's a little unnatural and artificial, but in the whole mix, it would sound good. So we did the job here, and let's check the next one. And as you saw here, I wasn't paying attention myself.
The wind blows.
So we have constant A2. Let's go for Retune. So on Retune, I have done the same thing here. Actually, it's not. It's here. Let me remove this one. Okay, it's here.
Blows. Wind blows. As the wind blows.
See, it is a little bit better, but it's still there. Let me deactivate and activate this plugin and have one of your eyes here, locked here.
As the wind blows.
See?
As the wind blows.
So with this plugin,
as the wind blows.
It is a little bit better, but it's still there. So when we are trying to do some crucial tuning, so very important professional correction on the pitch part of a vocal or a whatever instrument you might use, let's just say vocal because this plugin is good on vocal. Let's say just vocal because this plugin might not work as good as Melodyne on other audio materials. So when we are dealing with vocal and extremely important corrections, this plugin fails, as you can see here. It's not as hard tuning as it should be. Yes, we have a auto-tune here, auto-tune part here. We could use it too, but it applies to all of the audio material. I may not want it to sound too much tuned. And sometimes there are some weird gaps. And there is another problem too. Check it out. Let's disable this retune. Did you hear the S? It's clean. Now? It's changed. Let's go for other parts that S is too obvious, so much obvious. So let's say I'm trying to tune this part.
In blows, in blows, in blows, in blows, in blows, in blows.
There are some changes on S part. Sometimes it's so very obvious, sometimes it's not so much obvious, but it's still is there. And when I'm tuning some vocals, I was tuning for a long time on Retune, and I saw that those changes are really annoying for me. So I switched on Melodyne again, and I said to myself, let's record a video and talk about how they differ. If you have any ideas why these problems are appearing here and I'm hearing them, comment down below. Maybe I don't know how to use Retune, but I was using it for 3 or 4 months till now, and it's just not as good as it should be. Of course, it's a free plugin. Yeah, everyone says that it's a free plugin. It's just on Reaper. You could buy Reaper and have it. But Cubase has a free tuning plugin integrated tool too. Digital Performer has it too. There are a couple of DAWs that have that integrated tuning tool in them. Or when you buy them, you would get a coupon for buying tuning tools. So it's not about it's free or it's integrated or whatever. It's about its power. And comparing to the bestest, it's not as satisfying as it should be, at least for me. So Melodyne wins in this part, and it has higher quality, better audio handling. I'm not even talking about handling other instruments or accords or polyphonic stuff. I'm just talking about vocal and handling pitch changes. And again, the S changes are really annoying for me. On tuning or manual correction, they both have this problem. I don't know why. It just doesn't process S as good as it should be. And the S goes a little bit dirtier. I don't know why. So anywho, I really like this Retune. I actually tuned my song's vocal. It was No Soul. No Soul. I tuned that vocal by just Retune, and I liked how it sounded, but it still has some problems, does some changes on audio material that you don't want it to be there. And if you think otherwise, if you think I'm wrong, please comment down below and let's start a conversation. Maybe I'll record another video and apologize Retune. I don't know. So my friendos, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.